Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will be deploying our project in our SQL Server in the production environment. So to do that, first you need to understand how we can do the project deployment. And the thing is, if you open the Solution Explorer, you see we have a project with the name SSIS Intro Project, one of one project. So we can deploy it in our SQL Server using two methods. One is the project deployment and other is the package deployment. So what's the difference between these two? First of all, the project deployment. You see, the way SSIS project is defined is first you have a solution, then in within the solution you have a project, and here you can have multiple projects. If you want to deploy the complete project, then you choose the package deployment, which is the preferred way. And inside the project we have packages.dtsx file, and we can have multiple packages here, but currently we have one. So in the project deployment, when we deploy the whole project, all of the packages and the parameter file, this project.params file will be deployed in our SQL Server. But let's say someone there are multiple files here in SSIS packages, and only the one file is changed. So in this case you will do a package deployment, but mostly in the production environment we use project deployment, and the whole project gets deployed. So let's get started. First of all, to do that, we will open our SQL Server Management Studio, and here we will create a catalog and enable this. uh, Add any password here and click OK and refresh it, and you see we have enabled the integration services catalog. And to do a package deployment, we need to connect to our integration services for the same server. Let's say connect, and we receive an error. By default, only administrator have access to integration services. So what it's saying that I haven't opened SQL Server Management Studio in with administrative rights. Let's close this one, search here SQL and run as administrator. The project deployment will be done in SSIS DB, and to deploy a package, what we need to do, we will and see our integration services are here. So the package deployment is deployed either in a file system or inside the MSDB. So how we can deploy the project? To deploy the project, we will right click our solution and build the solution. Once the solution is built, we will minimize it, open the Solution Explorer, and here we can open open folder in a file explorer. It will take you to the folder where this solution is created. I already know where it is, so I have opened it. And here if I go into my project double click into bin, into development, and here you see SSIS intro project.ispac file. This file is integration services project deployment. This is how uh, I will tell you in the next step how we will be deploying this. Remember, currently we are doing a package deployment, which is a preferred way. So before doing anything else, let's go into our SSIS DB and create a folder. See, project, click OK, and the project is created. And here we have two folder, projects and environment. And in projects, at the end of the day, the DTSX file will be deployed here.